Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh OB. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from Cognizant. So in this video, we'll talk each and everything related to this job. We'll discuss things such as the qualification, about the job role, about the location, about the CTC, and the roles and responsibilities they'll be giving you once you are finally selected for this position. So we'll discuss all these things in this video, so I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over this Cognizant opportunity. So let's move forward with the video. So Cognizant is hiring for the position of a full stack engineer, and the location for the same will be Hyderabad in Telangana, and I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to apply for this job, or also if you are willing to read all this information in a detailed manner, then just please go to the description box. There I have already mentioned the link for this job. So that link is the official Cognizant careers link. So after clicking there, you will be just redirected to this official Cognizant careers page. You'll see a page like this, which you can see on your screen right now. So this is the link, direct link to apply for this job. So further we'll discuss about the qualification. The qualification required for this job is all the science and engineering graduates are eligible, and further they have mentioned here the science and engineering graduate, the detailed information. So for reading all this information, just go to that link I have already mentioned in the description box of the video. So further they have mentioned here about the must-have skills. So in must-have skills, things are like MongoDB, Python and REST API. So these are the must-have skills, and good to have skills are like Kubernetes and web services. And the employee status for this same will be a full-time employee, and the shift of this job is a day shift, and there isn't any need of travel. So this job has been posted on 18th of Jan. So yesterday only they have posted this job on the official career page of Cognizant. So this is a very fresh opportunity, and further they have mentioned about Cognizant. So Cognizant is one of the world's leading professional service companies, transforming clients' business operating and technology models for the digital era. Our unique industry-based consultative approach helps clients envision, build and run more innovative and efficient businesses. So this is the information regarding the company. So in this way we have seen the complete information regarding this job opening, and things such as the roles and responsibilities, the qualifications. So if you are willing to apply for this opportunity, just go to that link I have already mentioned in the description box. Just click on that link. Further you will be just redirected to this next official page of Cognizant careers. So here you have to just click on the apply now button here. So after clicking here, you will see a page like this. So my net is slow. So here you can see you will be just redirected to this next page. So here they have said like, please read this candidate privacy notice carefully. By reading this, click on the proceed button here. So after clicking on proceed, they'll just ask you to fill a form. So they'll ask you to fill the things such as your personal information, your name, your addresses, your email addresses, your contact details, and all the things such as the colleges and your academic scores. And finally they'll ask you to upload your latest CV. So don't forget to upload the latest CV. So in this way you can apply for this Cognizant opportunity. So this is a very good opportunity. You can just give it a try by applying to this Cognizant opportunity. So in this way we have seen complete information regarding this job, and we also saw how one can apply for the same. So I hope you guys like this video. So I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the information regarding latest openings in various MNCs and in various locations of India. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any type of queries, mention all those queries in the comment section. I will reply to all the queries ASAP. in the next video. Thank you.